Nursing is not a profession, it's their calling. If you're a nurse, somebody will see you and know.
Let people that matters make noise.
Matters where? Who knows you? Apart from that, just beginning at going to pay out on one of them. I want to be the kind of go for me if you go electric now. One now, I want you to eat less GMO food, pay attention to life. Your family, your job, your vision, your dreams, but your dreams, keep it that secret. Yeah? We're talking of healthy and safety now. We're talking of healthy and safety as he's disrupting it. That shows he's not a nurse. Eh? My brother, when I was 10 years already, my family moved out here. I knew I was going to be a nurse. But you know what? I want to be a different kind of nurse. That's why I wanted to Lego.
Also with a PhD.
Okay,
Madness.
Okay. You're repeating it.
That's what you said.
My brother, pay attention to that. Let's GMO food. Want cameras in your house, in your car. If you live abroad, tell your wife or your family to put down your pictures. Because now, lot we're there for house. Tell rat we're there for bush, something there. You understand? I don't know if you're a G-boy, but the way I look at you, I know you're not. But anybody you're dealing with money transaction, make sure you know their true identity.
Okay.
And I don't know if you live here. 2019, something happened. I know you had it. Some of our boys went home. Yeah. Some of them told me they don't know what time
Angel,
it is.
Please,
yeah?
Angel, please.
Diabolical man like this will say, I'm hallucinating.
You are, bro.
I'm making noise. But you know when you're listening to me, you believe I'm making sense. Yeah? Do you know the problem I have? I have a comic nature. That's the way God born me.
Please,
yeah?
can you get...
But are you familiar with Peace Square?
My brother.
Are you familiar with original plantation boys? This is the only man that understands me here because he's intellectual. This one is just drunk.
I'll see you, boy.
Yeah.
I'll see you tomorrow, all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
My brother, are you familiar with Peace Square? Are you familiar with the plantation boys? Who are the plantation boys?
That's a phrase.
Face and yeah. Okay. If I want, for the fact that I'm naturally no comic, I'm naturally funny, and my brother Tijo, you know, have you heard about Tijo Records Entertainment? No. Tijo Records, my brother was the one that sponsored, Chairman, my brother was the one that sponsored and produced Peace Square. If I want to be a comedian, tell me why I can't go for. My brother sponsored and produced Peace Square, Timaya and Plantation Boys.
You will got a problem.
No, my boy, why are you in your progress? Give me some space.
Leave my brother.
You say you're nice. Every day, people around you are getting sick. Udon is sick. The other Ibe is sick. Uncle Chid is sick. You don't go to hospital. If you're a nurse, let it show in your body. If you're a nurse, let it show in your body. Him and the wife knows I'm making sense, but because you are evil and diabolical, you want him to die, so you take the wife and take the land. That's a number for you. That's a number. Don't you have a house? Don't you have a house? How can a political sport come to America, keep him in the alley? Almost gang you buy it because that's not with America. If not Trump Tower, if not Sheraton Hotel, if not Double Tree. You understand? But let me give you my channel because he don't want you to know the truth. Baba, let me tell you what is called legacy and legitimacy. In as much as you claim you make $20,000 a month as a nurse, where I will get in with my fingerprint or what I'm going to do without a gun, you cannot do with a nuclear weapon. A man don't... Baba, per gang, per court, for political affiliation, gang, court, political affiliation, intellectuality, social affiliation, Baba, gang, wealth, intellectuality, gang, court, social affiliation, spirituality. It's a lie. They're going about their business. People love me, people enjoy me, even though I'm not a